Hi class. So I had a question about page 182, which was filtering a table with the advanced filter. So I'm going to walk through this page so that you can see how it's done for anyone that's stuck on this page. So it says for number 1 to select table rows 1 through 6. So we're going to grab 1 through 6. And then it says click the insert list arrow, insert, let's try that again, there you go, insert, and then it says that we're going to insert sheet rows. Now another way to insert rows besides using the options up here is to right click and hit insert, and it will add the rows for you. Now that that is done, it says click on cell A1, which I just did, and type in criteria range. Then click the enter button. Okay, select the range A7 through H7. So that's obviously our header row here. And then click copy. I'm going to hit Control C. And then it says go to A2 and then paste. Control V. So there is our criteria range. So we're going to put in some formulas up here that will look at this table, and based on the criteria that we establish, we'll pull the information above. Okay, so number 3. Click cell B3, that's this one, and then type in greater than, so shift period, and then the date June 1st, 2016. Then it says click cell F3, and then type in less than 2000, and then hit the arrow or enter. So there it is. Then it says click any cell in the table, because then that's just going to activate our table. You can tell it did because the table tool design tab all of a sudden showed up. And then click the data tab, and then click the advanced button in the sort and filter group. So it's right here. Click the criteria range box, that's this one, and it says to click the box and select range A2 through H3. So I'm going to click this box, and then that will put me in selection mode, and then I'm going to do what it says and grab A2 through H3. So that is what it would look like. And then click OK. To open this back up, just hit this box again, and then you can click OK. And you see what it did? It took a look at the table, and then if it fit this advanced criteria sort feature that we just applied, then it's still appearing. Everything else is hidden. So if I Control Z to undo, see what happened? There's everything. But if I redo, it applies the filter, and this is the only information that matches the criteria. The departure date is greater than June 1st, and the price is less than 2000. And if you look here, that is exactly what's reflected. And that's it for page 182. I hope that answered any questions that people had, and continue to let me know if you get stuck, and we will be able to work our way through it. This is again the last most challenging week in this course. Next week that starts tomorrow is just the cloud, very brief assignments so that you can start prepping for the final, and then that's it. So once you're through this week, just know it's all downhill, easy sailing from here. Have a great day, everyone.